Hi, so today we're going to make a small video on how to silicone like a pro. When you're siliconing around the showers and the bath, all the corners around the shower tray and the bath needs to be silicone, and I would advise to silicone the vertical corners as well, because stuff can move and that will create a hairline crack and you can have a tiny leak there. When you when you're siliconing around the bath, I would advise to fill the bath with water. So the new fiberglass bath, even you're gonna use the clips to screw it to the wall, it will still sag tiny bit because it's quite a lot of weight. So what I like to do, I fill the bath with water and then I silicone around, and then I let the water go. It squishes back up, and I know it's 100% sealed. Same around the shower tray. Previous video I explained I always leave a 1 mil gap underneath where I can pump it full with the silicone. So to do the siliconing, there's few ways how you can do it. You can use a tape, yeah, tape everything. Leave a few mil line for the on the shower tray. Leave a few mil line on a tile, but it takes too long, and normally the tape doesn't stick to the tile. Yeah, it will it will start to peel off and stuff like that. Things that we need is obviously a silicone. I use wet silicone. My favorite brand is Sil 60 Bostik. Then we're gonna use soapy water. Any soapy water, window cleaner, anything will do. Then we need to have some tool to remove excess silicone. You can do it with a spit and a finger. It really depends how fast and dirty you can be. Yeah, obviously these are really visible lines, so I like to make them even, nice and crisp. My favorite tool to do that is a ice cream stick. This round corner. As well, if you can get into the tight spaces, for example, if your electric shower is too close to the shower enclosure, yeah, or if it's a bath, you can get behind the tap. You can just take the ice cream stick, tape, yeah, tape it around, and that's it. That's your extended tool. Just for the video purposes, I will actually use this tool to show it to you. Okay, I will reposition the camera closer. The first line that I'm gonna do, I will do with this tiny tip. I will fill that 1 mil gap. I will pump it full. Then I will slice off 45 degree, about 7 millimeters width tip, and then I will close the lines again. So I will explain you on the paper what's going to happen, how we by using a soapy water, we're not going to cause a mess when we'll be removing excess silicone. Yeah, that's our corner. Yeah, obviously we have that 1 mil gap over here that I will pump in first, but then when you're applying a bead of silicone, so this will be, let's say that's a 3 mils up to here, yeah. So that's what I roughly like to have, about 3 millimeters on each side bead. So when you will apply the bead like that, around it, yeah, when you will spray a soapy water on these two surfaces, when you will squish down the silicone with a tool to make it nice, yeah, nicely curved, so the excess will not stick. So basically this excess can be squished out if you're just using a finger without soapy water, and it's gonna stick to the tile. But if you have applied the soapy water, all that's been squished out will stay attached to the tool. Okay, so that's the system. I will reposition the camera and I'll quickly show you one line how I do it. So like I said, first I'll pump that 1 mil gap full with silicone. Okay, so then you take a tip, cut it 45 degrees, about maybe even 10 mil wide, yeah. One smooth, even motion. You don't need to worry if it's a little bit over spills, because that will be all cleared up. Yeah. Okay, so that's us done. You might think that I use quite a lot of silicone. As like I said, I like to have at least 3 mil on each side, 3 to 5 easily. Because let's say if it's the shower tray, the raised shower tray, or if it's a bath, it will move, and you need to have enough silicone for it to be able to expand and contract, so it doesn't peel off and you don't have a tiny hairline leak there. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please ask.